man, what's going on? It's your boy, I Know You Hit Me House, back with another banger, man. Listen, today is April 3rd, 2021. So we're doing a Easter egg hunt for all of the kids. So you know what I'm saying, make sure y'all come down to the park if you're in the Charlotte area. Come on, mama. You want to take a picture with the Easter bunny?
I was like, where's my girl? How are you? Good, how are you?
Come on, mama. We're gonna look for you some eggs, boo. Look, go get that egg. Pick that egg up, boo. Pick the egg up. Put it in the bag. Put it in your bag. There you go. Come on. Yeah, I just pulled up, man. She kept having to use the bathroom and all that.
Lee, oh, Lee.
What's up with it?
I'm good.
What's up? Okay,
Man, they got some more eggs coming, more shit, bro.
Oh, word.
Right there.
The bunny just got out here.
A little box right there. You want to get us some shit?
You want to get some eggs, boo?
Yeah.
Go ahead. They over there in the box. Go get you something out of the box, baby. How everybody doing? What up? Yeah. What's up, cuz? What's up with it, bro? You alright? What's up? You alright? What's up?
She had to catch up with the kids, man.
How y'all doing? I'm good. Yes, yo. Look, you know, man, you get back in there. I said, I gotta do something.
Just because they were hating. Just because they were hating.
Rajay, you ain't gonna find none. Let's go find some, baby. Come on. Oh, it ain't no one left. I got some more candy too. Look, she's shaking every single last one of them. Make sure there's something in there. Look. Where your son at? Over there playing. What's up with you, bro? You alright, boo? You want to go over there? She ain't gonna rock with him. Say what's up, cuz. Say what's up. No, look, she just wants some candy. That's what she came for. Look, I'm like, you gotta stop and use the bathroom. You gotta use the bathroom. She like eggs. Eggs.
Hey, that eats what teach one. Hey, that nigga got on them big nuggets. These like cheeseburgers. Hey, who got them on?
Come on, bro.
That man got my nuggets, not cheeseburgers.
My bad, cuz.
Wow.
What's going on, boss? You alright? I'm good. What's up, Zoe? What's up, my girl? Nothing, man. What's up, little mama?
Yeah, oh, damn.
Say hey, boo.
Good house.
Rajay.
Good house.
Rajay, say hey.
Hey, come what you want?
She going to start.
I'm like, you gotta use the bathroom? She like, eggs. I'm like, alright, we don't know what. She didn't care about none of that.
Say, look.
I don't even know why you think you about to do that, shorty. Rajay, what you about to do? You need help. Come on.
Just hold on, I'm not gonna drop you.
Come on, let's go behind him. Girl, you be acting like you just little. Go ahead, keep crawling. Keep crawling. Good job. Leave you alone. That's a long job, baby.
Oh, you gonna do daddy daycare?
Daddy daycare, turn around.
Look, I'm holding you. Good job. I'ma reach. Reach. Good job. Reach. Uh-oh. See? Close. You okay? Come on, let's go over here.
Well, I can't see. You wanna go swing?
Where you going?
I'll take you to swing, but I ain't walking over here right now, okay? You gotta play over here. Oh, let me go holler at somebody right there. You coming with me?
What you trying to do, baby? Hold on to this.
Marley, stop.
Put your foot up. Grab it. Go ahead. Swing. Reach. 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 I got you. You okay? You got your hands? You see the Easter Bunny?
Mr. Brody!
You gonna get on the slide? Uh-oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I am. Yeah, you on there. Say what's up. Yeah, it's a video. Say what's up.
What's your challenge?
I know you hear me. You got a channel? You ain't got no channel? Go ahead and make you a channel. Yeah. I know you hear me. It's on that white car right there. You see it? With the gold bear. Before you leave, go look at the car. It's on the
I see it.
Yeah, it's right there. Yes, sir.
Wow. So, and you got golden teeth?
A little bit.
I can't believe I made it in YouTube.
You can start a channel too. You got a camera?
Can I hold the camera?
You want to hold it?
Hey guys.
Go ahead, go down the slide board with it.
Is it filming? Hey guys. So I'm about to go down. Is it filming?
Yes, it's filming.
No.
The bunny going back down the slide. The bunny is going back down the slide.
What are you doing? Look, that's a YouTuber right there. Hey guys, so I'm going down the slide. It's gonna be so fun.
Hey.
I'm gonna do it too. Let me try. Hey,
Huh?
I didn't get to go. So guys.
Hold on, I'm gonna let y'all get a chance. Let me go take a picture with my baby and the bunny, okay?
Okay.
Rajay. Who's going? You? Here.
You still got some boy. Ow.
That's what's up.
So that's how you should read teeth or teeth.
Huh? Yeah. Here's thing.
Can I do it too?
You wanna hold it?
Can I do it too?
Yeah, I'll let you do it too. You don't wanna hold it? Here, she can hold it.
You just make. What kind of videos you make?
I make car videos.
Car videos? You gonna make one today?
It'll be up tonight or tomorrow. It's gonna be a y'all going down the slide board. There you go. Good job. Look, you gonna do it again?
And your turn. Here. Get that with the bunny. Bunny, come and get me, Bunny. Go get me.
Give me that. Why do you have this? Where did you get this from? Give it back to that man.
Now she found I was letting them go down the slide with it, and the bunny started chasing her. She was out of there.
Can I film?
Now I'm about to stop it now. I need to change the back.
He's like me. I want something to eat. Yeah. I want something to drink. And I want to sit my ass down somewhere else.
Hey, if I sit down, I'm going to sleep. Outside or inside. It don't matter. I'm about to walk in my car.
I'm about to want to find food.
Here, hold this. Thank you. Come on, let's get on the sidewalk.
I really want it.
You gotta hold it. You want your bag? Want your eggs? I gotta hold it. This baby making me hold the eggs, the camera, and her. Pretty good turnout out here too. Over 6,000 eggs. And they all gone. Oh, excuse us.
No, you're fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on.
Oh.
Say hi.
What you want to do? You want to swing? And you don't want to swing? You want to get on the slide? Wait, how you get in there? Oh, this side over here. Come on, mama. Oh, he ain't ready to go. Come this way, mama. Right here. You can get up right there, boo. Hold on, wait.
What's the east running?
Over there.
Northwest. When there. I see you. Alright, let's go. Hey, we gonna have to hide because the Easter Bunny about to see people. They see.
He on the way.
Yeah. I can see it.
You want your bag, boo?
Northwest, east.
Where you going?
Let's go all the way over there.
Huh? You looking for some candy? Careful, mama. Come here. What happened? What happened, boo? What you hurt? You hurt your leg? Which one? It's okay, baby. Come on, let me see you walk. You still gonna go down the slide? Here go the slide, boo. Your leg hurt? Come here, let me see it. Let me see. Oh, it's okay, Mama. It's okay. It hurt. Oh, come on. Let me hold you. It's all right, Mama.
Yes, sir. Hey, it's your boy. I know you hit me house, man. Make sure you log in too. Subscribe and hit that noti button. You already know what time it is. And we out of here.